This is Baxen's throated tablet. Baxen throated tablets effectively manage sore throat, hoarseness, and loss of voice. These tablets for throat issues are also helpful in the treatment of throat diseases like laryngitis, pharyngitis, and localized throat infections. Throated tablets also help to relieve symptoms of tonsillitis with a tendency to catch cough and cold. These tablets contain Merck and Ruber, which is an excellent general remedy for tonsillitis when there is inflammation and pain in the tonsils. It is indicated in cases of sore throat, hoarseness, loss of voice, laryngitis, pharyngitis with a tendency to catch cold and cough, aggravated by cold and sour things. This provides relief in throat inflammation. This is homeopathic medicine for sore throat. It is effective in sore throat in the early stages and red hot and swollen throat. Manages to swallow difficulty, laryngeal inflammation, and pharyngitis. It provides relief from the dryness of the throat, cough, cold, swelling, dry, suffocative cough, sneezing. Baxen throated tablets manages laryngitis, are useful in the treatment of hoarse and loss of voice. It provides relief from tickling cough, running nose, marked exhaustion, headache, and fever. Adults 1 to 4 tablets a day. Children 1 tablet 2 times a day. Thank you.